Today I am excited to be showing you a very easy and simple way to make condensed milk at home. Yes, you heard me right, at home. So you're only going to be using a few ingredients and the result is going to be amazing. You can use the condensed milk to make ice cream, in some cake recipes, and I know you're going to love the result. So let's get started. We are going to be using a pot or a sufuria if you have any. So to my pot, I'm going to add 2 cups of full cream milk and 1 cup of sugar. So to my pot, I'm adding my milk. And as I've said, it's 2 cups. Sugar. Then you're going to whisk this until the sugar is all dissolved. So you start using your whisk or your spatula. So we are using medium flame. So don't put medium high or low. First you are bringing it to a boil on medium flame. Another thing, don't use long life milk, just use fresh milk straight from the cow if you can, or if you can find straight from the cow, you can buy full cream milk. So don't use any long life milk. So stir. Once your milk has boiled, reduce the heat to medium low. So you'll cook this for around 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes on low, until it has reduced to 1 cup or 1 cup and a half. That is how condensed milk is done. So babysit your milk. Don't go and do other errands, just babysit your milk because the sugar can also burn. So you'll be stirring frequently and watching over your pot or sufuria. So it's a waiting game. My condensed milk is ready, so I'm going to add about a teaspoon of butter. Then I'm going to stir in. So it has reduced to about 1¼ cups of So turn off your gas. Transfer your condensed milk in a container and let it cool. And you can also store it in the refrigerator for about 3 days. You can also double the amount of ingredients if you are looking forward to make a large amount of ice cream, or if you are intending to make for the whole family. Just make sure while refrigerating this condensed milk, you put it in an airtight container. So thank you so much guys for watching, and subscribe, like and share with a friend my easy and simple recipes. Hope I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.